Good morning, sir. Good morning, all my friends. My name is Parth Pachori. I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I'm studying in Saga Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal, with the domain of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And my teammate, Parth Priyanka, is from Surat. She's studying in Creative College, Surat only, with the domain AIML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, our topic given was automated extraction and structuring of handwritten documents using advanced AI tools. So, in which to, in India there are a lot of uh, data. As we can see in many fields like healthcare and education, we have a lot of huge amount of data present, in which many are handwritten and uh, many are in the form of written, like software based written form. So this project is to make handwritten document clear and easy to implement and understand by the people using for it. So as you can see that in medical fields, there are many types of handwritings that we cannot understand written by the doctors, which is a cause for not understanding the correct medicine or delaying the need of medicine at that time. So this project will help in that case. So in this project, the major problems are that time consuming, as the manual data as the data is handwritten, and there are many types of other handwritings which cannot be understood by each and every single person. So it is time consuming to understand this. Secondly, high cost, this and lack of scalability. Sir, to resolve this problem, sir, we have installed. Uh, I mean, sir, I mean, in my project, in the code, we have used several search engines like CNN, INN for the image and to classify their frames and dividing the images. Or we have used a Tesseract. Tesseract is the open source. It's the open source engine which is used to detect text in the document or Word file, like that type. Sir, can you listen me? Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. Go
Yes,
ahead.
you are
Go ahead.
audible.
Okay. Sir, so we have used CNN, INN for cutting the document into different types of frames. Each frame is then analyzed, and then the all frames are combined just like the first one. So it can understand the problem where the uh, user is not able to understand the word or writing. Then, sir, we use Tesseract. It's an open source engine which is used to identify text in the document image. So, with that help, we can understand the written word in the document. And, sir, we can also detect the wrong spellings in the document. If there are any wrong spellings in the word file, we can correct it, and then we can शो इट टू मतलब को करेक्ट करके हम बता सकते हैं सर उसमें। तो ये सब प्रोसेसिंग होने के बाद जो रेस्ट ओवर जो पूरी फ्रेम्स होंगी उन सबको कंबाइन करके काफी सारे आंसर्स निकाल जाएंगे, उसमें भी एनालाइज होगा कि सबसे करेक्ट और सबसे रिलायबल आंसर जो कि मीनिंगफुल है वो कौन सा है। But as I told you, key technologies are CNN, INN, Transformer, Active Learning, and one additional technology is our Tesseract OCR engine we have used in our program. So its working is very simple. We upload the document in the code. Then document is the second code is done by CNN. The pre-processing of the image is done by CNN and RNN. Pre-processing is like dividing the images into multiple frames, then analyzing each frame, and then combining all the frames accordingly to the first perspective. The third is our OCR. Just like I told, tesseract OCR we are using to detect the word in the image. The fourth is data extraction, extracting the meaningful data from the tesseract, which in the words which are being classified by the tesseract. So then data validating, verifying and correction of the words which we have selected, and then output, sir. The output can be seen in CSV file, JSON, XML, and it can be found on a written file also. I mean that प्रोजेक्ट मतलब पूरा प्रोसेसिंग होने के बाद वो नीचे आपको आउटपुट में पूरी वो लाइन लिख के दे देगा सर, ये उस डॉक्यूमेंट में वो लिखा क्या है। सर इसका यूज केस हम लोग काफी जगह कर सकते हैं, जैसे हेल्थ केयर हो गया।
अच्छा।
सर इन हेल्थ, हेलो,
प्लीज गो
हेलो,
अहेड। एंड पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो यहाँ पे अभी स्पीकर मोड पे नहीं है, अपने माइक को म्यूट रखो। प्लीज गो अहेड।
ओके सर। सर इन हेल्थ केयर, एज यू कैन सी इन मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड्स, there are many patients waiting for the doctor, and doctor in hurry writes the medicines which we cannot understand. So this can be useful for there as well. It can be useful for there. At that place we can understand the medicine. And in financial, handwritten loan applications and financial documents can be processed and checked if they are valid or not. So in government forms, there are many government forms we have filled over there, over our lives. The data extraction from handwritten forms, like the form is handwritten, of course, it's not digitalized till now. We have to write it from hand. So different types of handwritings can make a chaos in understanding. So that can be used here. Many more. So you can also use in legal documents and benefits. You can see, sir, it increases accuracy. A model increases the accuracy of determining the correct meaning of the word. It reduces cost, sir. It is fast processing as we are using CNN and RNN, which improves the accuracy and processing speed of the program. The scalability, as we have a lot of data in India, like in many companies, multinational companies, government, healthcare, financial, we have many data. There are a lot of data which can be handled by this project. Further, we can ensure security, and the future of our this project is it will help in data document processing as in future it will unlock the valuable handwriting documents and business growth. So this was the project. Thank you.
Hello, Parth.
Hello, जी sir.
Where is your other team member? Is he present here?
So I don't know. I have to check it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So she's here. Okay, I have just one question for both of you. Like, are there any limitations to this current approach? Like, what are the limitations that can't be overcome with OCR or ETC that you're applying, basically, and what improvement that you foresee in the future, basically? Key improvements. What
The
are the improvements that you can do with?
the limitations is that it requires runtime. Means in runtime it will requires many processing to done. So it will need a higher processor laptop, or we can say system, to process it quickly.
Mm, it is not an
Other,
accurate answer. Uh,
Okay, so
See, we've seen your approach, but the issue is, how are you going to differentiate between tables and images and regular text?
This project is based on handwritten documents.
No, yeah, handwritten documents, but it could also involve tables and flowcharts, right?
So we can, yes, sir, we can upgrade it.
But your tesseract approach will not work.
Yes, sir. Sir, the tesseract approach will work for only words. For
Exactly.
tables, yes, for tables, we can extract different engines.
What do you mean?
I mean, sir, for as you're saying that if we have a document, we have words and plus table. It also have it have a table like.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll extract words differently and extract table differently.
Okay, but then what technology are you going to use for that?
So for words, I've told you tesseract is there,
Yeah,
and for table, we have to first detect the table first that
got it.
the content in the table. So
Now
we
you're
have
on the
to
right
separate
lines.
the segments.
Mm-hmm.
Segments. The document will be divided into further segments. Each segment will go through that the segment contains a table or a word. If the segment contains a word, then the tesseract will use. And if the segment will contain a table, then we'll extract the table from it.
Great. Now this is the way I want you to proceed. And for your processing power issue, you can easily use Google Colab. There are many models which are there already on Hugging Face for document segmentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I've used no, sir. Actually, I've made project on Google Colab only. But the processing of the tesseract, what you say, is little bit of little slow, not much, but little slow.
Yeah,
As it's
that's not an issue. And see, there is theoretically, if you
otherwise,
do go ahead with this into research and all with this project itself. See, this is the most general project out of the 13 projects that we've given. So the optimization that you have to do is with the retrieval rate. Okay, what is the original content present in your document with respect to how much you could retrieve in a structured format, and how basically good it looks after retrieval, after its presentation on a PDF or a Word document, basically.
so it looks absolutely great because I've uploaded a document.
Mm-hmm.
I am handwritten
Do you have
document,
the
and
code
it's
for this?
showing. Sorry, sir.
Like, have you worked on the code for this?
Yes, yes, I've worked on it, and the code is approximately just finished. It will be over till tomorrow and
Okay,
further.
great. So,
Working
like we'll
fabulous.
get in touch with you on your group itself regarding the code and all.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
If you want the code, I'll complete the code and send you.
Yeah,
It's just ready. It's just ready.
fine.
Okay.
Okay, Prashant sir, we can proceed to the next team.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and
Yeah, great work, Parth.
additionally, one thing more, as like, what is the contribution of Priyanka in this project?
Just she has worked with the presentation and with the data set.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Okay, so you both are go to sorry, you both have to finish the work as soon as possible and reward all the things in the your personalized group as like AI group
Yeah.
14. I'm right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much. So for the group 15 participants,
Thank you, sir.
most welcome.